Every Christmas we stress out about buying gifts for everyone else, but this year I want you to do something different because I've made something specifically for you. This is the only DIY Christmas present that you want to buy, and it's one you want to keep for yourself. This right here is my limited edition stainless steel utility knife. Each one is individually engraved and numbered 001 through to 100. It snaps open smooth, it locks in place, it's a really nice size, and honestly it's one of the favourite tools that I've got that's always in my pocket. I released it to the waitlist first of all. There was 80 of you, 26 of you snapped it up right away, and the rest I'm opening up to all of you. Just to be completely transparent, it does appear to be quite expensive for a utility knife on the face of it. It's priced at £27.90-ish, and once you add VAT on top of that, it's £33.50. I don't get to see that VAT. It's collected by the platform and it goes straight off to the tax man. I only actually make £10 profit. Just bear in mind, it's not a mass-produced Amazon special or anything. It's a limited run of 100 and that's it. It's your way of supporting the channel so I can buy more equipment. I was intending to buy a new computer. That's just going to be unattainable. It's too expensive, but I do desperately need a new camera. We're always buying gifts for other people. We rarely buy something for ourselves that actually looks good, feels good, and reminds us exactly why we all love DIY. This knife, this is your gift. Keep it in your pocket, put it on your bench. Just don't ever give it away. Just as a side note, I can't send a blade because of the knife crime pandemic these days. That just means you can buy probably 10, 20 for a couple of quid and then you've got a good supply. Whilst I was at it, I designed some t-shirts as well. There's 4 of them. They're all vintage inspired. They're not generic YouTuber t-shirts. They're pretty special. So if you want one of the knives, go and grab one now. Once 100 are gone, that's it. Treat yourself to a t-shirt or even a hoodie. Link is in the description. This Christmas, don't forget yourself. I'll see you soon. I'm just sorting out stuff to do with like putting in more beams.